There are waves all around us of energy and light. Scientists call them electromagnetic radiation because they have electric and magnetic characteristics. All electromagnetic waves travel at the speed of light when in a vacuum. Scientists categorize them by the frequency of their wavelength. The shorter the wavelength, the higher the frequency, and the longer the wavelength, the lower the frequency. The only electromagnetic radiation we can see is called visible light. We see these waves as the color of the rainbow. The rainbow is made up of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Each of these colors has a different wavelength. Red has the longest wavelength at 620 to 750 nanometers, whereas violet has the shortest at 380 to 450 nanometers. Then the other four colors are in between. When all of these waves are seen together, they make white light. Now let's take a moment to talk about visible light. Like the name says, visible light is the light seen by humans, or in other words, we see the light that isn't absorbed by objects. Green plants are green because they absorb all of the colors of the visible light spectrum except the green wavelengths. You're used to seeing the world as how it is, but not all of the living things in the world see Earth as we do. Some insects can see colors that none of us can see. Other insects see objects differently than us, like a bee's eye view of this flower. Another example is dogs can only see black, white, and gray, and that can get a little boring. So after all that, we're pretty lucky that we can see the visible light spectrum.